Say hi guys. Lucas with chat. They're not so distant. Alright. So this will enter your
Yes, done.
Oh, perfect. So what's for order of business in
Get more players, get more servers.
what?
Get more players into the server.
I think I'm gonna use my headphones for that. Yeah, Lucas.
Let's sleep in Saturday like 1 a.m. Like yesterday, bro. At Walsing.
What are you guys doing?
Let's sleep at 1 a.m. in Saturday, bro. Us three.
Oh no, that sickness will spread, guys. No! I'm sick, guys.
I have too many saffron. I have saffron. Just wait me, bro. I'm faster than you think, bro. Yeah, bro.
Oh dear, I'm getting sick, guys. Knight of the Town. How are you able to get that title?
First one to the church. I win. You're too slow. Too slow, bro. Bro, you're too slow.
Oh wow, way to insult the future Okay. I have the dark flu. Your Highness, where are you? Oh,
I'll get that.
oh, you're here.
And then
Oh, I'm cured. I have to eat now. Now my health is very low. Dangerously low, as a matter of fact.
Right about food is
bro, don't say the N word.
Oh no, I'm bankrupt.
He might get banned.
Who?
guys. We're gonna go back to the castle.
I think so.
Stop. Stop.
I only ate a whole piece of cake and I'm full already. Wow. The king is stuck for no reason.
Bro, where can we
Ew.
see the hungry bar?
Press your face. Press your face. The face down in the corner.
I got the disease again.
You're sick? Bro's sick again. Bro is sick again. Hey, hi, it's a jester. Oh, not again. Oh, not again. Your Highness, the kingdom's reputation has fallen below 60. I keep blinking when I...
Kasi nandito na. Nandito na.
Where's Lucas?
Lucas, where are you? Just fell into the void.
What? He fell in the void?
Yes.
I didn't buy paper. I'm getting broke. We need to... Yeah, keep...
Yeah.
We got to... Did you earn? Oh, no way. Did you buy paper, Your Highness?
Huh?
Did you buy paper? You can't use this if you don't have paper.
I don't have any paper.
Oh, shoot. Go downtown. It's time we actually do this job, Your Highness, because um we don't have any form of diplomacy.
I'm full. Guys, where are you guys? You got them? Where are you guys? You got them?
I'm at the castle. We're all me and the king are at the castle, Asma. Oh, here.
Yes.
Lucas is here.
I don't know why I'm so
You're sprinting. I think you drink some energy drink. Guys, we have to go downtown. We, oh, the king will let rest. Great. Lucas, let's go downtown. Why am I turning gray? I have to eat this. Hey, yo, bro. What on earth? Plus 15. I have 15 bucks. I better save this. I better stock this. I'm getting broke. Yo, it's raining. Beware of lightning. Lucas, where are you? I'm getting left behind. You're going downtown. I need to buy a horse.
Me too, bro.
How much is your cash?
1K.
1K? So far, maybe a ordinary horse you can afford.
Just wait, baby. Oh no! No! Oh, I got killed. I died.
Alright, follow me over here.
How did I get teleported?
I have no idea, bro.
How do you saw that?
The cashier's name is literally named Brioche. Oh, I have a lot of paper now. I might as buy. I might as well buy food. Where are you?
Nice.
Alright, I'm going to the castle now. I got paper. Wait, if only I can actually drop paper. Can I possibly drop paper? The king's resting. Who's trespassing? Jester. Hey! Why someone with a crime record in the court? Wanted for royal decree?
No, bring her to the prison now.
What did he do? What did she do? Hey!
Trespassing.
She's trespassing? What? This is... Wait, no! Wait, this guy's innocent.
No, he's trespassing.
This court is public.
Oh, what?
This court is open to the public. Stop that, Lucas. Wait, we gotta apologize.
Entertainment, mister.
Wait, we're sorry. This is public space. And they thought you were trespassing.
So, like, where's my castle?
Your Highness, this is a public space. This is where your people normally go and say stuff about their problems.
So, where's my castle? Where's my own castle? Hey, where's my house?
That room over there.
That's my own house.
Just get them if they're trying to kill you.
What?
Yo. I'm writing papers. We have to go to the docks.
There's rooms.
Yeah, this is the house. We have a house.
There's church.
The rooms. Em-
Yeah, bro.
We got to go to the docks.
Looks downstairs, bro.
We have to go to the docks. Guys, follow me.
Okay, bro. Okay. I feel you. Bro.
We need to give this to the docks. We have to apologize to other kingdoms. We've been neglecting the other kingdoms. That wagon doesn't work, Your Highness. Wait, what? Wait, this thing works? Oh, three. This costs 300 silver though. We have to go to the outskirts. Where are you? Oh, harbor. All right. Now we're bankrupt. A joke. Great. We have to actually give this to the. We have to actually give this to the lady here.
Guys, wait me.
No, not that. Not
Wait me, bro. I'm gonna protect you guys.
Oh wait.
Do the king take damage or no?
You're literally the soldier. You can't kill the king. You are to protect the king. Hey, how dare you? That's treason.
I just wanna tell
Treason! Send him to the dungeons.
let's go.
I got it.
Oh, no.
Wait, no. He's not. I was joking. Is he drowning? Where is he? How did you even get there in the first place? Bro, you can't be serious. At this point, I want to go to other kingdoms. Imagine if that was possible. I want to go to other kingdoms.
Us. Us.
Over here, over the boat. Try jumping through the boat. I don't know how you got there, but that's crazy. Your Highness, what are you doing there? What? Hey, yo.
I'm gonna be right back. Why did you want it for? Your,
Let's go to the palace, Your Highness.
do you wanna kill me, bro? Guys, help!
Just reset.
Huwag na lang kayo.
What?
Do you guys go to the castle?
Yeah, we are going to the castle. Oh, wait. Are you right there? Hey, you got out. You managed to get... He managed to get out of the water.
Never give up.
Never give up. Alright.
Let's go.
Wait,
Ding.
how's the reputation of our king? Oh, our reputation is saved.
Guys, I need water.
Get some over here. Oh wait, no, that's the medicine store. Over here, at the other side. Remember, this thing is with um plants while the other one isn't with plants. So that means this other store is the store, the actual store, while this one is the medicine. This is the pharmacy. What on earth is this painting? Look at this painting.
Yeah, bro.
Where are you, Your Highness? Anyways, yo, let's do that later. We gotta we have to like. Oh, what's this? Why is my stats so low? Wait, my stats.
My drink is full.
Your drink is full. I'm my stats are getting low.
Let's go, guys. Let's go to the castle.
I think I'm thirsty or I'm
Where's the king?
hungry.
The king left.
The king's gone? Bro, if the king's gone, then I should become the king.
No. Gonna be the chosen one. The chosen.
The chosen person. Hey yo, I am chosen. Hey, what's this?
Someone.
I
Someone.
I'm sick again. Bro, seriously, we're getting sick all the time. Such mediocrity. Cessed insupportable.
I have so many food, bro.
I'm getting sick, bro. I have to survive. I need to become the king. Why is the store owner of the store is like facing? Someone send me a friend request. I'll accept it later. Come on. Address me properly. Monsieur de Magnifique. I have the Aristo plague. What kind of disease name is this? Aristo plague. I'm at downtown. Where are you guys? Oh, you're at the castle. I'm just feeding myself very well so that I can survive. Yo, is he not moving? Oh no. I'm headed upstairs for the castle. Oh wait, why am I headed for a dead end? That's so weird and peculiar. Does anyone know how to train your dragon? I think Zaki knows. Zaki, Your Highness, do you know the movie How to Train Your Dragon? The dragon. It's about dragons. I'm here the past. I'm lost for some reason. Oh wait, I looked all doors except this one. Oh, I'm over here. I'm going to the royal palace. Oh hey guys. Your health is both bad. We only have two citizens. Cake is expensive. I don't know. I don't remember the price of cake. Pancakes. I'm a say if I have paper. Wait, do I have paper? Inventory. Did they did they run out of paper? Paper. Oh, I have paper. Look at that. Guys, guys, escort me to the docks again. We need to go to the docks again. I'm gonna write some. Yo, why is it not working? I'm holding paper in my hand. I'm writing letters in the room. I was gonna. I might teleport to the... Never mind. Let's not teleport. I forgot where the docks are.
Who are you?
Uh, it's just me.
Who are you?
Dude.
I thought,
Oh no! No! King, protect yourself. Hide.
nah, bro. I need to fight.
Fight.
I'm gonna fight,
Fight them
guys.
off.
Don't worry.
Don't make sure they can't enter the palace.
Guys, where are
Ah!
Where are bandits? Bandits!
They're here.
Where, bro? Bro!
They've entered the throne room.
Ah!
There's another one. Help me. There's more of them. Help me. There's gonna be a massacre in the palace. Why is there so many? They're spawning in the palace. The bandits are... They're literally right in front of you. You saw them yourself. I need to get to the docks.
Bro, I can't kill them. Bro, King! Move away! I told you, bro. Bro, the King!
Is the king okay?
No, bro. He's dying, bro.
No. This can't be.
I'm dying!
No. Oh no. What? Why is queen? Why is Lucas the queen? Why queen?
Bro, I don't want to be a queen, bro.
Okay. End the video. The father didn't die.
Save me. There's so many bandits here.
Guys, leave. We need to, guys.
Save me.
Guys.
Oh. Oh, I survived it. But all of them are dead.
Let's go to the country fair. So we can.
Wait, what happened? Y'all left? Alright, this is it for this video, I guess. What? For some reason, I can't become a... Wait, let me respawn. Wait, I can't? I've no... What happened? The cycle keeps repeating. Let me change. I wanna quit my job so that I become king for a second before ending this video. I'ma end this video by becoming the king. Let's retire as viceroy. I'm gonna retire as viceroy. Wait.
Let's go to the country fair.
Later. I'm gonna end this video first. I'm gonna drown myself. Oh wait. There's a way. There is a way. There is a way. I'm gonna fall off the map. Hey. Oh, I fell off the map.
I don't know why I get
I'm gonna become the king, guys. Wait. Spawn. Okay, it's time, guys. Oh, wait, what? Hey, I'm the king at such a young age. Look at this. I'm the king. I rule over no king. I rule no over no people, by the way. It's just me alone. Yeah? I'm the king. Up. You rejoined? What? I'm still in the server.
Jump me up, bro. Why, bro?
I must stay until you rejoin, guys.
Jump me up, bro. Jump me up.
For the meantime, I think I should do some jobs by myself for the meantime. Oh my. Oh well, I'm just alone in this palace. Alright guys, that's it for today's video, and now I'm the king of this whole palace and I rule alone. Anyways, I'm gonna go outside and just end the video right here. Ish, I'm the king. I rule this kingdom by myself.